Hello everyone. Hope you are safe and staying home. Let me remove my mask. Well, let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Deepak Vishwanath Sonone. I have done my MBBS from Government Medical College Aurangabad, and after that I did my house post in surgery at KM Hospital, Mumbai. Also, I am the Vice President for Indian Bodybuilding Federation India, Vice President for Maharashtra Bodybuilding Federation Maharashtra, and currently I am the President for Indian Bodybuilding Association, Nasik district. Well, since most of the diseases are weight related, for example like cardiac, kidney, blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, so diet and weight management play an important role in our life. And so I am a certified dietitian and nutritionist also. I have treated many patients for weight loss, for weight gain, and for medical and cosmetic purposes. Now today, it's 1st of July and it's National Doctors Day. On this occasion, let me wish all colleagues and all doctors Happy Doctors Day. This day is celebrated in honor of Dr. Bipin Chandra Roy, for second Chief Minister of West Bengal also, and was a legendary by himself. Doctor's profession, as you know, all know, is a noble profession, and being a noble profession, I like to advise and I like to give a Kan mantra to all upcoming colleagues and upcoming doctors that basically whenever a patient comes to you, you have to treat that patient, you have to look at him as a family member, treat him with utmost care, give him sympathy, look at him with care, and once he opens up and confides all his symptoms and what his problems are with you, only then you can reach to a good diagnosis, final diagnosis. Also, you should have some of the other sort of hobby, maybe like painting, it can be cycling, it can be fitness, it can be listening to music, going out trekking, or any sort of hobby, because you know hobbies play a big role and they are like stress busters. And as you know, we doctors, we always are in stress. It's day and night stress, and so to relieve that stress, one should have a good hobby. Well, my practice also initially was full of stress, full of struggle, but then it was worth it. I have treated thousands of patients. My hospital is basically on Sharanpur Road by the name of Deep Jyoti Hospital, opposite Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan. Well, now today all doctors, they are facing big problems, and the most important problem is of corona, because as you all know, corona is a very dreaded virus, and doctors treating the patient with corona is at a very high risk. Basically, I like to highlight some points from patient's point of view, what care they should take in this crisis. Basically, remember SMS. SMS is, S is for sanitization, M is for mask, and S is for social distancing. I usually wear 2 masks because mask, I'll tell in Marathi also, की मास्क ही अत्यंत महत्त्वाची गोष्ट आहे कोरोनाला दूर ठेवण्यापासून. कारण की मास्कमध्ये जर मी मास्क घातलेला आहे आणि समोर जर कोरोनाचा पेशंट आला आणि त्यांनी मास्क घातलेला नाही, तर मला 70% चान्स आहे की मला कोरोना व्हायचा. मीन्स आय विल हॅव 70% ऑफ चान्स की इफ द पेशंट हु इज नॉट वेअरिंग मास्क अँड इवन इफ आय एम वेअरिंग द मास्क, देन आय मे गेट कोरोना, 70% चान्स. बट समजा पेशंटनी पण मास्क घातलेला आहे आणि मी पण मास्क घातलेला आहे, दोघांनी जर मास्क घातलेला आहे, तर मला फक्त 1.5%, म्हणजे आय हॅव गॉट ओनली 1.5% ऑफ चान्स दॅट आय मे गेट कोरोना. सो दॅट्स द डिफरन्स. सो मास्क plays a very important role to avoid this dreaded disease, dreaded virus. So I appeal to all to wear your mask continuously, especially when you are going out. Wear your mask. Maintain your sanitization. Maintain safe distancing. Minimum 3 to 4 feet. Maintain it. Only then you can avoid this disease. रोजच्या 15,000 केसेस होत आहेत कोरोनाच्या. We have already crossed 5 lakh cases. And we are on number 4 So if this continues, so I don't know, we may land in first number also. सो माझं अपील आहे सगळ्यांना मी विनंती करतो की तुम्ही स्वतःला सांभाळा. टेक केअर ऑफ युअर सेल्फ. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. नोबडी. यू हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ युअर सेल्फ, टेक केअर ऑफ युअर फॅमिली अँड अवॉइड दिस डिसीज. ऑल्सो व्हॉट वी कॅन डू इज की रोजचं एक व्हिटॅमिन सीची टॅबलेट खाणं, आपली लाईफस्टाईल, चेंज युअर लाईफस्टाईल, आपली लाईफस्टाईल चेंज करणं, योगा करणं, एक्सरसाइज करणं, या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला ह्या आजारापासून दूर ठेवू शकतात. ऑन दिस ओकेजन आय लाईक टू थँक टीम 202021, दॅट्स रोटरॅक्ट क्लब ऑफ भारती विद्यापीठ सनराइज, फॉर फेलिसिटेटिंग मी ऑन दिस occasion of Doctor's Day. Wishing you all the best. Stay home and stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.